Hi, alright. This is the Master Replica Yoda lightsaber. I had this for, I don't know, like 3 to 4 years now. But the first time I got it was at a Star Wars convention, and I can't remember what year. But I wasn't thinking correctly, and I stabbed the blade into the ground, causing the whole thing to shut down. But it only took me like for I don't know, like 3-4 years to figure out how to make this thing almost work completely. So switch is right there, and it's supposed to make a sound. I got the blade to work. There's no sound coming out. It's supposed to make the contact sound. It's supposed to make the on and off sound. Off, no sound. On. And now, what I figured out from opening the battery compartment, well, the thing that holds the batteries, that there's wires on the inside, but I can't get down deeper towards this part. I can't get down to where the sound is because of the battery area. And I can't get these pieces and I can't get the area that's holding it in. I can only get this part off, the main cap, but I can't get the speaker or the main battery thing. I can't remember what this is called. So, and how I broke it was when I was like, I don't know, 11, 12, 15 right now. And I don't know if this is bad or anything, but I was playing around with my little brother a few days ago. He also has lightsabers, but they're not the Master Replicas. They were one of those, like the ones you see at Walmart that will light up like this. But it's sort of like all those lightsabers you see, except they're not the Master Replicas. They're made of plastic, not metal. So I'm playing with him, and then we were swinging our lightsabers, hitting, pretty much fighting. We were fighting, but then the blade shut itself off and on. It shut itself off and back on for 2 seconds. So it was like, turn on, off, and back on. Like that. So I'm a little worried that it might be something bad. Like something messed up in the system. And all it is just pretty much just wires and batteries, but still, something might have messed up. That's also what's confusing me. How can something down here get messed up from damage up here? Oh, crap. So, anyway, if you could leave comments or anything that might help me. I actually got this from the convention. I don't have the instruction manual, I don't have the box it came in, I don't have anything. I only got the blade. They gave it to me for free. And I can't remember what dirt it was in, but I don't think it matters really, but it was like, I think like potting soil. It was in the ground, so I don't know. So hopefully your comments will help me get the sound to work. And I don't know. Honestly don't know. Alright. Thank you.